But first, our top story today. The Indian economy may finally be showing signs of visible recovery, with the automobile sector leading the charge with a big jump in October sales. The GST collections have also been the highest since February. Experts are, however, cautioning that this could be because of the festive season, and the real challenge may lie beyond it. The question is are these green shoots of an economic revival? Is the Indian economy healing after the COVID shock, or is it too soon to make any conclusive assessment? It's our top story tonight.
The Indian economy is showing signs of a revival. The automobile sector is driving a jump in consumption during the festival season. Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp and TVS have posted big increase in their sales in the month of October. In passenger cars, Maruti Suzuki posted 18% jump in sales, Hyundai 13% and Tata Motors a huge margin of 79%. There are other signs too. GST collection in October was more than 1 lakh crore, which was 10.2% higher than the collection in the same month last year and the highest since February. The core sector data is down by just 0.8% in September.
The recovery so far, if we see in totality from April to October 2020, it has already reached around 80% of the collection what it was in the previous year. So, keeping in view the festival season, keeping in view the backlog of the consumptions which were deferred or delayed or not possible because of the lockdown, in the coming period, rest 3, 4, 5 months, what we understand that the recoveries will be continued to upswing.
UPI transactions crossed 2 billion mark in October for the first time. E-way bill issuance was 10% higher in September and went up to 21% in October.
GST के का अभी अगर आप फिगर्स देखें तो सितंबर महीने में भी जो कलेक्शन हुआ वो पिछले साल के सितंबर महीने से ज़्यादा था. इसी तरीके से अक्टूबर महीने का भी ग्रोथ अगर हम देखें तो अक्टूबर महीने का भी ग्रोथ जो है पिछले साल के अक्टूबर के ग्रोथ से ज़्यादा है. अगर इन सब आंकड़ों को जब हम देखें तो हमें लगता है कि जो कोविड का जो इम्पैक्ट था अब वो धीरे धीरे कम हो रहा है. हम लोग प्री कोविड लेवल पर पहुंच रहे हैं.
The corporate sector is cautious. It expects the government to help sectors that are hit the hardest.
GST collections have crossed the 1 lakh crore mark. Sectors like automotive, both passenger cars, two-wheelers, tractors are showing significant growth. In fact, tractor sales growth is the highest ever. Other sectors like steel and some sectors of the FMCG have come back to pre-COVID levels. The whole reform agenda is also contributed to the revival and growth of the economy.
The quarter-second GDP number will be out next month. Most are of the opinion that the picture will be clearer once the GDP numbers are out, because at the moment it looks like the kind of revival which we are seeing is because of pent-up festive demand. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.